Alrighty, here we go. Ready to do an unboxing. We'll go step by step. Here we go. Open it up. Everything's nice and tight. I'll let you see that. Get your owner manual. It's a pretty good size. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff in there. We'll chuck that. We'll get a box here with goodies. And look at here. Let's see. Get out of the light. We've got our, looks like our little finger switch. Got a pretty decent duty adapter cord here. That's pretty heavy duty. Much bigger than I expected. You got your consumables, which I'll be switching that all out anyway, but it'll make do for now. And then your CK worldwide tip torch number, full focus, number 17. There you go. Take a gander at that. Oh yeah, looks wonderful. Cool. So we'll put that back, set that over here, the box of that stuff out of there, put this stuff out of here. What else is in this box? Oh, I found a piece of tungsten, gray tungsten at that, which is kind of odd. I don't know if you can see that or not. If we'll focus, it ain't gonna focus on that. But yeah, I don't think I've ever welded with gray, so we'll try that out. And then we've got some more goodies in here. We'll see if we can get this stuff out of here. This package is really tight. Alright, there's that one. And there's your rest of your goodies here. If it wants to focus. Get your Chinky weld helmet, chipping hammer, gives you a shade in there for your onlookers for when you're doing all your great welding. Then you get your lovely foot pedal. Much better than that piece of junk you normally get with these types of welders. Get your stick lead. Oh Lord, that's a really tight spring on that. Good gosh. Definitely a little on the small side wire wise, but I think it'll be just fine. I'm not planning on doing a lot of stick anyway in case I have to, but your earth lead, ground lead, however you want to say it. Let's see how this thing is on that. Oh yeah, she should do just fine. Nice and tight. And you get a rubber connection hose. It's a lot nicer than those plastic little ones you get, and the crimps look nice and neat. And I'm assuming your regulator. Yep, you got your normal float valve regulator. Let's see here, what brand is that? It's Prime Weld also. They got their own back gauge on here. Yeah, feels decent enough. It's out of that one. I guess you're ready for the actual welder itself. Let's see if we can get this thing out of here. It's hard to do a little one-handed action. Let's see what we can make happen. There you go. Alrighty. Now let's clean off some of this stuff here. Put it back over here. Set that over there. Set that back over there. Alright. Ready? Oh, good Lord, it's a little heavier than I expected. This ain't no easy one you can just tote off, that's for sure. It's not those little 30-pound ones, that's for sure. This is hefty. Alright, let's try this one more time. Alright. Okay, get out of the place. Well, there you go. Give you a size comparison. That's a pretty good size hand, so she's a hoss. Let's turn it around. Here we go. Now we will hook some stuff up and give her a try, and we'll go from there.